Dear all, here are some additional explanation to help you properly design the challenge you're supposed to achieve for the Sustainable Performance course. First, we are in a process of open innovation. What does it mean, open innovation? That means that you provide a problem, you provide a challenge, and the challenge is addressed to the crowd. That means that it's not you who will solve the challenge, this is the crowd. So the more the space of potential solution is open, the more the likelihood to get a real innovation is made possible. So the goal for you is to design a challenge, then to put it to the crowd, to address it to the crowd, so that the crowd would solve it. That's very important. Some of you seems to be afraid about the idea that defining a budget with no solution in the mind is not possible. It's absolutely not true. Just think about R&D and R&D process. When you are doing R&D, you absolutely don't know at the starting point the result of the R&D process. So in this specific case, we are in exactly the same context of budgeting a R&D project. How can you budget a R&D project, or in this case, your challenge? Well, first, the nature of the innovation will give you an order of magnitude. What does it mean? That means that if you have a soft innovation, for example, imagine a new communication way of organizing boycott campaign. We may assume that it doesn't require a lot of money. If you want to clean the Pacific garbage patch, we are talking in terms of millions of euros. Why? Simply because you need to have boats to go there, you need to invent a technology to clean up the ocean, you need to get back the waste and to recycle them. So we have a scope of innovation which is simply amazing. So please define, by having in mind the nature of the innovation, define an order of magnitude. You may also check on the web on other challenges platforms such as Innocentive and so on. You may try to find analogies. And then, of course, this order of magnitude will be fine-tuned with the expert you have identified. Well, we hope it's clearer. And of course, we are still available for any questions.